Hey Joakim, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool material right here, and basically what this is a face mask. If you see from this brand right here, and basically the scent on here or the material that used on here is like tea tree. So you see right here, the product got some of the benefits of using the product. So it's supposed to help with like calming, balancing, and pore tightening as well. And you see right here, they tell you guys what kind of sheet they use on here, which is the cotton linter sheet. But basically for the product here, it does have tea tree and also has chamomile as well. If you guys turn it back right here, they probably got instructions to show you guys how to actually use it. So basically after like cleansing and toning your face, you guys can apply the mask on. And once you guys apply it on, you're supposed to keep it on for around like 10 to 20 minutes. But first thing first, let me actually open the package to show you guys what the inside looks like first. Alright, so once you guys take it out, this actually looks right here. So basically for the one that I got right here, it comes in a set of 10 of them. But they do have like a bigger set available if you guys want more. But basically for all 10 of these right here are all the same. So I'm going to show you guys what one of them looks like. So you see right here is basically what the packaging looks like. So everything that I see on here is basically the same as the package. So they probably got all the different benefits on here and what is the ingredients that they have on here or the scent. And definitely in the back they probably got all the instructions to teach you guys how to use as well. So that is basically everything that's on the bottle here. Let me actually bring this over to the restroom and apply it on to show you guys how to use it and what actually looks like first. And then we'll come back and talk more product in a second. Alright, so we got the product right here. And I'm basically going to use a cleanser right here to cleanse my face before I apply it on. So let's do that first. If you guys are curious about what kind of cleanser I'm using, I'm basically using this cleanser from the Cortex brand right here. So I'm going to add some water onto my face first. Alright, apply a little bit of cleanser on. Alright, so after you guys finish that step, you can definitely use a toner if you guys want to. I usually use this toner right here, but for this test, I'm just going to apply the face mask to show you guys how to use it. But if you guys want to use a toner after you guys cleanse your face, you can definitely do that on here. So let's open up and see what the inside looks like first. Alright, so when you guys take it out, this actually looks like inside. So you basically want to open up and put this onto your face. And when you guys open up, you definitely want to be careful. Try not to break anything on here. Alright, so this is basically what the bottle looks like when you guys first take it out. Let me actually put it on. Once you guys put it on, you basically want to just push it to the side. So that way it actually sticks onto your face. Alright, so that should be good. So I'll leave it on for around like 10 to 20 minutes and then come back and check on it. Alright, so it's been around like 20 minutes. Eventually, this is basically what the product looks like. So if you look really carefully on the face mask, you can definitely see that the logo or the name actually starts popping up. And that is how you guys know when to actually remove it. If you see the bottom part right here, it actually keeps coming off. And that's because I keep talking, but also probably because I have a beard. So it probably actually works a lot better if you guys don't have a beard. So you probably want to shave before you guys use it. And you see on the top part right here, it works perfectly fine. Those work perfectly fine. And the top part here is fine as well, because there's no hair right here. But this bottom part here definitely has the beard and everything. That's why I keep coming out. But basically the product is all done now, so you definitely take it out. Alright. So definitely after using the product, it actually feels really nice. It definitely gives you guys that calming effect once you guys actually use it, which is definitely pretty cool. But that is basically everything that's on the product and how to actually use it. If you see the whole setup process and everything, it's really easy to actually use it. Alright, welcome back guys. So nice little quick test, the product definitely actually does work and actually works quite well. Definitely once you guys apply it on, it actually feels pretty nice. It definitely gives you guys that kind of relaxing and calming effect. And I really like the smell of the actual product as well. And basically for this bottle here, you can use it whenever you guys want to. So if you guys are feeling stressed or whatever, then you probably want to apply one of these on. But that is basically everything that's on the bottle here. Now to go unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this bottle here, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for some high quality face mask that give you guys all the different benefits that I mentioned on here. Then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have to one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.